Hey everyone, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply coupons on a Temu for a discount. So in this, I will guide you step by step process to apply that coupons on a Temu for a discount. So don't skip this video. So for that, first of all, open your that Temu application on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. Now you can see at the down new icon is there at the bottom, tap on that. So inside that you can see here coupons and offers, tap on that. So if you have any coupons and all, so for that you can see here enter coupon code, tap on that and you have to enter that code and apply it. So for that applied you can apply here, but if you have already applied that coupon but you want to see that expiry date on all, so for that you can see here expired, tap on that. So in this section you can see that expired for the coupons and all. So in this way you can apply that coupons on a Temu for a discounts. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.